Hello! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW X1 smartwatch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to open the H-band application on the phone that is paired with our watch. So let's open the app. After you open the application, tap on Mine, select your X1 from the list of devices, and here scroll down through the list, or rather through the page, find the disconnect button and tap on it. You will see the disconnected message on your watch. The watch will disappear from the device page, or rather from the device category. Now we can close the app, and at this point the watch is unpaired from our phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.